We like food.
Welcome to Free to Cook. In this episode, we're going to be making bacon butter. This butter is flavoured with one of the best foods known to man, bacon. I like to use it sometimes for something different than garlic bread. To start, you'll need 500 ml of cream. This amount isn't crucial, but it just depends on how much your stand mixer can handle. Pour the cream into the bowl of the stand mixer fitted with a balloon whisk attachment. Insert the balloon whisk into the cream and turn on the stand mixer at medium speed. Don't forget to use the bowl cover attachment because by the end you'll have buttermilk everywhere if you don't. Mix until you have whipped cream. Then we continue to whisk beyond this point. After a while, the buttermilk and the milk solids will begin to separate. When it begins to break, lower the speed by half. This will prevent the buttermilk from splashing everywhere. Once you have those beautiful yellow lumps of butter mixed with the buttermilk, turn off the stand mixer and scrape down the whisk. Next, you'll need another bowl for the buttermilk. Collect all the butter to one side of the bowl, then pour the buttermilk into the new bowl. Keep this buttermilk for making fried chicken. Check out our recipe for KFC popcorn chicken to see it in action. Next, you'll need a bowl with icy cold water. Place the butter in the bowl and squeeze out any remaining buttermilk. Repeat this process until you're not getting any buttermilk coming out of the butter. Transfer the butter to a bowl. I like to season my butter with a pinch of salt and mix it through. Next, slice the root off the end of a garlic bowl, lightly crush the cloves and peel. Place the cloves in a small pot and pour in enough olive oil to cover them. Set the pot over the charcoal and let the garlic simmer gently for 20 minutes until soft and golden brown. While cooking the garlic, place a number of pieces of streaky bacon on to cook until crispy. With confit garlic, it's really a personal choice, but I like to take my garlic a little further so it gets a little bit brown and it gives a nice nutty flavour. Remove from the heat and carefully transfer the cloves into a bowl. The olive oil is now garlic flavoured. Make sure you hang on to this because it's great to use in your cooking. Now the bacon is nice and crispy, remove and finally chop. Then add to a bowl with your homemade butter. Then add the garlic cloves, a dash of that flavoured olive oil and a pinch of grated Parmesan cheese. The amount really comes down to your taste. Using a fork, start by mashing the garlic, then mixing all the ingredients together. This butter is a perfect alternative to garlic butter and it's great to use when cooking your eggs at breakfast. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and if you have any recipe suggestions, leave them in the comments.